Assalamu alaikum class. I hope that you will find. And today we will do example number 3 and 4. The value of example number 3 I have written here minus 2 less than 1 minus 2x over 3 less than 1, where x belong to real number. So firstly, so there are two methods to do this one, so double inequality sign. Firstly, you can write in separate. This one separate, one inequality separate, another inequality separate. After that, you will combine both in in case of two inequality. And you can do, and second case you can do directly. So I will tell you simple way. Simple way is this: I will take 1 by 1 inequalities. Firstly, minus 2 less than 1 minus 2x over 3. And second equality is 1 minus 2x over 3 less than 1. I will find value of x separate. After that I will combine. So now first I will solve this one, after that I will solve this one. So for moving this one, multiplying by 3, okay, with both sides. Here minus 6 will come less than, when I will multiply 3 here, 1 minus 2x over 3 will cancel out by 3. Here minus 6 will come minus 1 minus 2x. Now I want to remove this one from that side. I want to take this one as to that side, because now we will do a variable in one side and constant in one side. This one constant I will take in one side. So for this, by adding, I will add opposite number but same, opposite sign but same number with both sides. Minus 6 minus 1 less than 1 minus 1 minus 2x. Here minus 7 will come less than, here minus 2 will come, 2x will come. Now I want to get the value of x. What I should do? By multiplying with minus 1 over 2 with both sides. So here minus 7 into 1 over minus 1 over 2 less than minus 2, minus 1 over 2 into minus 2x. This one cancel out by this, plus minus into minus plus will come, but inequality sign also will change. Here 7 over 2 greater than x according to property number 4, multiplicative property, and case number 3. When we will multiply with any negative number, then answer will come. Then we will change, inequality sign will change. Now I will do this one, right hand side, by multiplying, same case like I have done here, by multiplying with 3 both sides, multiplying 3 both sides. So 1 minus 2x will come less than, here 3 will come. Now now I will take variable in one side and constant in one side. For taking constant one side, I will put here by adding I will put here minus negative minus 1 by adding minus 1 both side. Minus 1 will come plus 1 minus 2x less than here 3 minus 1 will come. Now what I should do, here minus 2x will come less than here 2 will come. Now I want to get the value of x. I will multiply with minus 1 over 2 on both sides, multiplying minus 1 over 2 with both sides, then here minus 1 over 2 into minus 2x less than minus 1 over 2 into 2. Here 2 cancel out by 2, then here also, but this one sign minus into minus plus x, but inequality sign also will change. So here minus 1 will come. Now we will write in this form. In double inequality, solution set is this: x such that x is x is greater than x. I will write here x is greater than minus 1. Like this I can write, but here x is less than 7 over 2. Means 7 over 2 is greater than x. Okay, have you any confusion? You can ask from me, I will tell you inshallah. Now in second example is 4, like this one. So I will do separate inequality. 4x minus 1 less than equal to 3. Now here also, and 3 less than equal to 7 plus 2x, x belong to real number. Okay, so first I will do this one, and after that I will do this one. Okay, 4x, I want to remove this one, minus 1 from that side. What I should do, I will add plus 1 with both side. 1 both sides by adding plus 1 both sides. 4x minus 1 plus 1 less than equal to 3 plus 1, 4x. Okay, here 0 will come, less than equal to 4 will come. Now what I should do, now I will divide with 1 over 4, or I will multiply with 1 over 4 by multiplying 1 over 4, 4x into 1 over 4 less than 4 into 1 over 4. Here 4 cancelled by 4, here also 4 cancelled by 4, here x less than equal to 1 will come. 1 answer is this coming. So now 3 less than equal to 7 plus 2x. Now what I should do, now I will take constant one side and variable in one side. So for taking this one 7 from that side, so from that side to that side, I will add by adding minus 7 both sides. So 3 minus 7 less than equal to 7 minus 7 plus 2x. Okay, here minus 4 will come, less than equal to, here plus 7 minus 7 will remove, here 2x will come. Now I want to get the value of x in inequality, so I will divide, or I will multiply with 1 over 2 by multiplying (1 over 2) with both sides. Now minus 4 into 1 over 2 less than equal to 2x into 1 over 2. cancel out here, also cancel out here, minus 2 will come, minus x will come. Okay, now I will write in two inequality sign, mean in double inequality sign. So solution set I will write is equal to x such that x I will write in center, because here also I want to get the value of x. X is greater than minus 2. Here x is less than 1 or equal to also. Okay, this is our solution. If have you any confusion, you can ask from me. Inshallah, I will tell you. Okay, this is our solution. So I will write firstly x in center. X is greater than minus 2. I have written here, and then x is less than 1. I have written here. This is our solution. If have you any confusion, you can ask from me. Inshallah, I will tell you.